Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the air filter on Audi A6 C6 4F 3 liters TDI. The air filter on this car is located on the right of the engine. It's located right there. That's the air filter housing. In order to remove the air filter housing, there's a couple of clamps that we need to remove. We also need to remove this air intake hose, this clamp as well, another clamp underneath, and one clamp on the other side. First we're going to remove those two metal clamps, and next we're going to remove the air intake hose, which is held by two bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the metal clamp holding this air intake hose, and we're going to take out the air intake hose along with the MAF sensor. Now that the MAF sensor is removed, we're going to take out the air filter housing. We just need to pull it out once all the clamps are released. That's the air filter housing out, and that's the air filter that we need to replace. The air filter is held by two bolts, two screws, which are on this side of the housing. We need to remove those screws and take out the air filter. Now that the two screws are removed, we just need to pull out the air filter and replace it with a new one. We're also removing this O-ring, and I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new air filter that I'm going to use. Now we're going to put the air filter back in its place. Make sure it's aligned along with the two holes for the two screws, and then put the two screws back on. Next we're going to put the O-ring back in its place. We just need to put it just underneath that black plastic. Next we're going to lubricate the O-ring. This lubricator was in the packet with the air filter. If you don't have this lubricator, you can just put some grease on. It's the same. I will also lubricate the small O-ring, and now we're going to put the air filter housing back in its place. Once the air filter housing is back in its place, we're going to put the metal clamps on. Then we're going to put the MAF sensor along with the air intake hose on. We're going to put the other air intake pipe as well, and then we're done with replacing the air filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.